Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are having lunch at Hershey Farm Smorgasbord. So a couple of years ago, we found out about them through a small cafe that they used to have. And we realized, oh, they have a big main restaurant. Let's check it out. Unfortunately, right after we found out about them, the whole thing burnt to the ground, and they just reopened this year. And the restaurant is actually located in the Hershey Farm Resort. This resort is absolutely stunning. I just had t-shirts and a pair of shorts on and felt underdressed. This is how nice this place was. The resort is located right next to Sight and Sound Theater, and there's actually a walkway that you saw a few moments ago that if you're staying at the resort, you can walk to the theater. Make sure you save some time before you eat or after you eat to check out their shops. They were adorable, souvenirs galore, and lots of delicious baked goods. Their hours may vary slightly depending on the time of year that you go, so be sure to check out their website before you head over there. We were here in September, about mid-September, and these are the hours that were posted then. Mondays, they are closed. Tuesday through Saturdays, they are open from 8 a.m. until 7 p.m. Sundays, they actually are open, and they are open for a Sunday brunch from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. And of course, here is the restroom. Overall, it seemed clean. We could not find a baby changing station. It was not in this bathroom. I'm not sure if they have another bathroom with one in it. And if a tour bus stops here, everybody uses that bathroom, and be prepared to wait in a long line or maybe try to find another restroom. One of the best things about this smorgasbord is the space. You are not sitting on top of one another. It is not overly crowded. It is not overly loud. It is beautiful scenery. And it was overall extremely enjoyable just to sit there and enjoy our meal. And this doesn't mean there's not as many options on the buffet, because you have a ton of options. And don't mind the toddlers that you hear as I'm recording. Cups, lemon, sugar, and pitchers of ice water will already be at the table when you sit down, so you don't even have to ask for that at all. Now, that means anything other than water is extra. It is not included with the buffet price. The food that they have is fresh, is homemade. Like I said before, a variety of choices. They have a grill that can do cheesesteaks, burgers, some carved meats, tacos. They had 4 different kinds of soups. Plus the entrees available at the buffet that you get yourself that are not at the grill. The sides, the bread, the butter is the best butter I've ever had. It is whipped butter, and they have regular. They have cinnamon, and they do have an apple butter. They do have some basics. If your kid will only eat pizza, they did have pizza there. So there's something for everyone. And if you leave hungry, that's your own fault. And you'll see in a few moments that the dessert choices are basically endless. Now on to the not so fun details, and that's the pricing, because they are not the cheapest buffet in the area at all. They are probably one of the most expensive in the area. And here are the prices at the time of this recording in fall 2024. Breakfast for Tuesday through Saturday for adults is $19.99. Kids 9 to 12 are $12.99, and kids 4 to 8 are $10.99. Weekday lunch, adults are $24.99, kids 9 to 12 are $14.99, and kids 4 to 8 are $12.99. Weekday dinner, adults are $31.99, kids 9 to 12 are $16.99, and kids 4 to 8 are $14.99. And now on to Saturday. Saturday lunch, adults are $32.99, kids 9 to 12 are $17.99, and kids 4 to 8 are $15.99. For Saturday dinner, adults are $39.99. Kids 9 to 12 are $19.99, and kids 4 to 8 are $17.99. For Sunday brunch, adults are $26.99, kids 9 to 12 are $15.99, and kids 4 to 8 are $13.99. There is a discount available, and that is for weekday breakfast or weekday lunch only. Kids will eat free if there's a paying adult. So for one paying adult, one child can eat free, and that is for breakfast or lunch only. Now, I have decided that this smorgasbord so far is my absolute favorite in the area. I like them more than others. They're at least top 2. But this, I think, just wins, and it is my favorite. It is more expensive, but it's just nicer and tastes better overall. Now, if this is just too expensive for you, you don't need all the choices, you don't need the grill carving station, then be sure to check out the link below. We love Dieners. Dieners, you won't get as much variety. There's no fancy grill or carving station. They are budget friendly and they are delicious. So see that link below to watch our video all about Dieners. If you're visiting and this is your family vacation or mini getaway, I really do think they are worth the splurge, and you should definitely go check them out. Maybe try to go during the week where your kids can eat for free as long as there's paying adults. And no matter when you go, I highly doubt you will leave disappointed, and I can't wait to go back and try their breakfast. I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video.